want to go to US. So my first time visa was denied because I'm from Boroland. Boro people are trouble, making so much of trouble in Assam. So let me tell you a few things how I landed up in India. I came to Delhi for a job interview in several places,
Hello.
and one of them was in DRDO in Delhi University. Delhi University. First thing they asked me was, "आपको हिंदी आती है?" हाँ हाँ आता है. That was the first thing आता है. Who knew? I come from Shillong and the people don't speak that Hindi very well. And I saw very limited Bollywood movies that time. After I learned Hindi was very poor quality. And I came here looking for a job, and people really talk